Yo, what up, YouTube? What up? With another video. So today, we got a couple things we're gonna do. So first of all, we're gonna install the Speed Factory. It's like a block up plug delete kit for the Dizzy because I'm running coil packs. So we're gonna be installing this on the Dizzy. Got this. I'm gonna paint it. Got it from one of my boys, Justin. Good looking out on this. Huge shout out also to Junior EM1. I'll tag his Instagram below. Hit me up on these coil packs. Really good deal. Really good deal. Shout out to him. So, for you people that don't know how to or what to delete from your Dizzy, it's pretty simple. I'll just show you a closer look on it, okay? So let's get to it. So, I mean, probably most of you guys know how to do it, some don't, but typically this goes here. This gets taken off. Well, the rotor has to get taken off too. It comes first. So mine, I just had to pull it off really hard. Took that out. Took the coil thing out as well. And you gotta, well, you can either take this one out, but I just left it. I just taped them. That's all I did. I taped them together. So yeah. So that's good to go. We're gonna install the cap now. Speed Factory cap. One of my boys hooked me up on it. Pretty good. So let's install it. All right, guys. So all it really is, honestly, is just 3 of the screws plugged into here. Oh, sorry about that. So 3 of the screws plugged into here, and then that's it. So let's get to it. Pretty easy. All right, so what we're gonna do next is actually, we're gonna paint this. I'm not gonna sand and prep it. I'm just gonna throw primer and then just spray it. And then that'll be it. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we have it. So I just cleaned it up. We're gonna throw some primer on it. We're just gonna do one side of it. So we're just gonna let that one, little, cool and heat real quick for a couple minutes, and we'll be back. Alright, so we're just gonna throw a light coat black on. Sorry about the background noise, so let's get this started. Alright guys, and now we're doing some gloss. Alright guys, so I just got done putting everything on. I added a couple more things. I added the 4-bar map, and I added a braided line for the clutch. So let me show you guys how it turned out.